Right, 2016 Kenworth T800 has your 14.6 front with a Cummins 485 horsepower engine in it. This has the heavy duty 18 speed in it. With 46 rears and full lockers. This does have a wet kit. It is the extended cab version, the aero cab. Dual fuel tanks. It does take DEF. Does have disc brakes. 222,000, I think. 222, somewhere in there. Nice clean truck. Tires all look really good. The truck runs good. It does have a check engine light on. For the, I don't know, I haven't checked it. But said dual fuel tanks, and then the big hydraulic tank there. 24.5 inch, 11R24 tires.